Hello, my BL lovers. This is the English explanation and summary for the episode 12 of the series Kise Ki Dare to Me. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Customers were sitting at Baizonge's dessert shop and were praising the desserts as well as the owner. They asked to shoot a video in his shop, which he agreed as it would help the business to grow. The girls said that the restaurant owner's lover loves the strawberries, so for that person, Baizonge has made the strawberry day, and also most of his dishes do have strawberries. Listening this, both Baizonge and Zeroy blushes and leaves, letting the girls guess that Zeroy is that lover. Baizonge and Zeroy were in their happy zone when Baizonge asked Zeroy to come to his house, to which Zeroy says that he still is not ready to face his dad and Xingyu. Baizonge is ready to the members from the gang bring pistol as a present from Chenny to ID, which ID loved but returned as he was no longer a member of the gang. He asked ID to come back to Chenny as Chenny really likes ID and has changed from the day he visited ID in jail. ID remembers Chenny visiting him in jail on their birthday and bringing cake. Chenny showed him the gift which was once prepared by ID for him but was never given. Mistakenly, he tells ID that Chenny is faking about the Zhangtang matter, to which bring ID back to him. Meets Baizonge's dad. He was really sorry for whatever happened and was apologizing to him, but Baizonge's dad said that when Baizonge has let go everything, then he is also okay with him and will treat him as a second son. He also invites Zeroy to come home for dinner. Zeroy was so glad about the dad's behavior. Baizonge brings Zeroy home. They were all so welcoming and were like a happy family at the dinner table. ID ties Chenny and threatens him of feeding spicy food if he didn't tell that was the story about Zhangtang's people true or not. He was surprised how can Chenny eat spicy food, but Chenny was ready to take up ID. Chenny confesses that he realized his love for ID when he was in jail. Chenny says that he didn't know why he failed to notice ID's love for him. He saw all the gifts prepared by ID for him from his 18th birthday till 21st. He realized that ID was alone celebrating birthdays for both of them. He said that he loves ID and wants to celebrate the birthday with him every year till they die. ID was filled with emotions and says that he will not share him with anyone once Chenny comes to him. Finally, they were together and the love blooms. ID's wait for such a long time came to an end as he finally got his love, and Chenny has realized who was always with him and for him. Baizonge was at his work, but somehow his friend working with him looked very angry. ID tells Baizonge that Chenny was sorry for letting Baizonge take up the blame for Zeroy as it was all due to his negligence. Baizonge asks ID to bring Chenny to his shop as he would like to treat him. Chenny comes to pick ID. As they were talking, someone shot at them, in which both tried to take it up for each other. So guys, please watch for the final episode, that is episode 30. Thank you.